Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Let's go. Before we jump into this analysis, I've got a ton of news in this video to keep you guys up to date on everything that moves the market. Also, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period, give away $500 in Bitcoin. Boom, let's go. Bitcoin daily chart. Bitcoin had a really strong bounce here, and there hasn't been much of a retrace. Your 0.5 or common bounce level would be around $56,000, right? And then the 618, kind of the golden pocket right here, is at about $58,000. Up to now, we haven't had a pullback, so just be mindful. If you have some positions open, make sure your stop loss is in place. Again, this is an 8-hour chart. You've got descending volume on increasing price, weakness. Then you got hidden bearish divergence possible. And so what this means is the price. The bulls can show up and put in this higher high up here, negate this idea. But so there's some ideas that you get a short-term pullback. Your RSI, your stochastic RSI is overbought. And then, will we see continuation higher to that 618, that $58,000 level, right? Once, if the bulls can break 58,000, at this point, I'm still leaning towards a lower high. This is, again, small Bitcoin moves right now affect the altcoins considerably. Make sure you have stops in place for your altcoins, right? Right here this is the red line right here is the point of control. It's a resistance level. Right? This is a small rising wedge. There's 68% chance this breaks to the downside. You've got possible bearish divergence on the RSI and the MACD again. So there's some ideas for a small pullback here. This is a smaller time frame. So the pullback starts on these levels. So just think about it. Bitcoin's up 16% and really hasn't had a retrace. So like at least over the next few days, if Bitcoin kind of continues, climbing higher or move sideways, you have to think that there's going to be some type of retrace or pullback. It's normal. It's healthy, right? Bitcoin wants to continue higher. You need some type of healthy pullback. So again, bulls show up and just buy the heck out of this thing, and it can negate and invalidate a lot of these ideas. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This young lady reached out. She said, I'm listening to your videos every day, and I've doubled my money in a month. Life-changing money. Doubling your money. Shout out to Dave. He's up 800% from the trading setups. Massive thank you. This person's up $180,000 since February. Couldn't be here without you. Listen, I wouldn't be here without you guys, period, right? You guys, I just have to reiterate how grateful I am for the opportunity to bring you guys this news and ideas and just share all the knowledge and information that I find on a daily basis to help you guys make life-changing money. For me, there came a point in life where I realized chasing paper, chasing fiat, chasing money, that becomes secondary. And then really you find out who you are as a person. And I found out I'm passionate about seeing, I want to change other people's lives. I want to help you guys, right? I don't do anything but freaking keep you guys updated. Crypto Trading Group repeat, sleep. Just happy to be here. Thank you guys. Listen, the bottom line is this. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes, period. This is it. We've got an epic altcoin season coming. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups for the entire bull run. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. I explain a lot to you guys in this video how you'll understand how things are really going to be peaking end of June, right? But there's an amazing run-up that's starting as soon as Bitcoin calms down, okay? This is Cake on YouTube. Gave it to you guys March the 1st. 20,000 people saw this. Shout out to 106,000 subscribers. Smash that subscribe button. Chance to win $500 in Bitcoin. Cake at $12, $11.50. Here it is, 219% profits out of Cake. Remember, Cake is doing, so it's a decentralized exchange, right? So like Uniswap, like SushiSwap. Well, Cake is doing more volume than both of those combined, right? And so you can follow the money flow, right? That's what it's all about. This is the network congestion for Bitcoin. So in 2017, 2018, it cost $47 to send Bitcoin, right? It was ridiculous. All-time high, new all-time high. Here we are, $54 for Bitcoin cents. Like you can see, network congestion last week pushed the average transaction fee to a new high, $54. Ridiculous. I always ask everybody to use Litecoin because it's really cheap. Possibly no one's using the network, that's why. But I mean, and I know there's XRP is super fast and freaking very cheap. Nano is free. I know there's other ones, but just Litecoin, anyways. Ethereum's amount of 10K plus whale addresses. So the amount of people holding 10,000 Ethereum or more is at an all-time high. Ethereum's about to do big things, okay? Ethereum has, when this altcoin season kicks in, these altcoin BTC pairs take off, looking for 100% gains potentially out of Ethereum. Will there be some type of pullback and then you get the gains after that? We'll have to see exactly how it plays out. But so again, whales holding steady. Everybody on YouTube and news was talking about Tesla sold Bitcoin for $272 million. And then Tesla came out and tweeted, just a test dump, guys. Just a test dump. This is not real. This is comical, right? So anyways, the point is, Elon Musk, billionaire for a reason, he stated like, hey, we're just testing liquidity. At some point, you have to know that these companies, they're going to take profits. Right? Dave Portnoy came out and he said, Elon pumped Bitcoin and then he sold it. And then Elon responded, no, I've not sold any of my Bitcoin. Tesla sold 10% of its holdings, essentially to prove the liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash on its balance sheet. Took profits. Big deal. But the point is, he says, I have not sold any of my Bitcoin. Bitcoin holder, Elon Musk. Tomorrow, Biden, President of the United States, is going to talk about taxes. How will this affect the price of stocks, traditional markets, Bitcoin? Will it? Okay. Doing some research, though, it says only 0.3% of taxpayers in the United States would be affected by these higher levies, right? So essentially, you have to be making $1 million or more, which, let's face it, a lot of people in crypto are going to they're going to be making $1 million or more a year. A lot. 43% capital gains and dividends tax rate coming. Breaking news. Is this good or bad for crypto? Iran's central banks reportedly allowing country's financial institutions to use crypto derived from sanctioned miners to pay for imports. They're now working to circumvent U.S. economic sanctions with cryptocurrency. What's going to happen here? How long will the U.S. let this go on? Balancer. So tomorrow's a big day for Balancer Protocol. They're going to announce a new game-changing partnership. We anticipate this partnership will revolutionize the DEX space to deliver the best experience to traders across price, UX, and transparency. So big news for Balancer. I have a setup posted in the trading group on this, guys. Fetch AI, FET, they've got this huge automotive network partnership with Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMW, and Siemens. IoTX, they've got 3,000 devices on IoTX. They've got a burn drop version 2 that is officially live, so they're burning tokens. MicroStrategy is now available as a stock token that you can trade on Binance. Dusk Network to integrate with Chainlink. This Dusk pumped immediately. I remember, Chainlink, you put Chainlink partnership in anything, you just mention Chainlink and it's pumping, right? It's been going sideways. Chainlink's due for definitely a run, uptick in price, right? PancakeSwap, speaking of Chainlink, tomorrow afternoon they're going to launch their new products, one of their new products, Prediction. And so they're going to use decentralized Oracle Chainlink, PancakeSwap, and Chainlink. 1inch launched their first mobile application on iOS. With this new wallet, mobile users are going to be able to transact with networks other than Ethereum. Aave, I had this set up with a retest, and we bought the breakout. We're in profits here, right? Probably 10%. The point is, Aave has potential upside based on this idea. Aave version 2 launches liquidity mining program targeting stablecoin borrowers. So they're offering about $880,000 worth of governance tokens rewards until July the 15th. And so this will stir up some volume, and you'll see some positive price action on Aave. So understand this idea. WinK, so person in group brought this up to me, and I want to make sure you guys understand how this news works. So you got a lot of news that's stacked in June. WinK's got all kinds of news here, right? Decentralized prediction market, exchange listing, sports industry development, token use case increased. Well, what's going to happen is that this altcoin season takes off, and it really peaks out like the end of June. It still rolls over and can roll over further, right? But really peaks out hard because all the news is stacked at the end of the quarters, right? It's all going to be stacked at the end of June. Now, you'll still get run-ups before then. You'll still see a ton of money being made. But I'm just saying the pinnacle, the peak, will happen with run-ups because of these news is stacked near the end of the quarter. This is Doge before it 60x'd. I made this post in group and I said, hey, waves made me think of Doge. Notice how Doge broke back into the pattern, then broke out hook and go retest. So if you look, and I really like these on some of the bullish charts that I'm seeing on these altcoins, right? But Doge came down, you had this kind of putting in higher lows, right? And then essentially Doge broke out with volume. There's volume down here. Broke out. Then it came back in and retested support back inside this pattern. Came back out and then hook and go, right? Came back down, retested, boom, exploded. Did 60x, 6,000% profits after this. And I posted this setup here, waves, and I was like, man, it was buy the break of this level or retest is good entry. Waves is one of those coins, like during altcoin season, it just melts faces off, period. It just does, right? OMG is another one that can do it, but waves has some upside based on this idea. So we pulled out about 15, 20% gains right here, and now it's retracing, right? And so will you get some type of retest? If you get a retest like down in here, just like you saw with Doge, if you get a retest down in here, or even the best entry is this yellow trend line. The best entry is here, right? I'm looking for nice upside out of waves. This is the total altcoin market cap, right? Total value of all the altcoins put together. You see it has this bull flag and it's broken out. Now it's at this resistance, right? And so if it gets rejected, I mean, potentially you get a retest here, right? The entire market retraces, and this would happen if Bitcoin pulls back, right? And so, because you want to find confluence across multiple ideas and multiple charts that help you time Bitcoin moves. This is at resistance right now. This is NFT dominance, and I was looking at the gainers on Binance. All these little NFTs waking up. And I mean, potentially this could go through some type of reaccumulation where it slowly increases. But boy, if you remember NFT season, like everything's just exploding. Keep an eye on your NFTs. Ethereum dominance. So again, we talked about this bull flag. Ethereum dominance, when this increases, means the money's flowing into the Ethereum versus other altcoins, more so into Ethereum, right? Obviously, there's a ton of altcoins that are doing well, but I'm just saying this just shows kind of the money flow into Ethereum. And then Ethereum broke all-time highs, new all-time high for Ethereum. Awesome. And of course, we've been in this setup here up about almost 13%. Looking for some type of SR flip, but you got this overhead resistance. And I mean, let's just look at this, right? Ethereum's been in this pattern, and we have to assume it continues in this pattern unless it breaks out, okay? So, you know, there's a scenario where it does Bitcoin pull back, and if it does pull back, you know, what does that do to Ethereum? I mean, if you were able to get any type of pullback to this area, like this would be epic, right? Or essentially you buy the breakout. I mean, there's not a lot of upside for Ethereum coming, period, right? 3K Ethereum, $3,300 Ethereum, it's coming, right? But the question is, will we see dip then boom, dip then boom? YouTube, April 25th, 19,000 people saw this. Matic Network, which is now Polygon, right? Rebranded. Here we are, this thing, Moon Mission. This thing, so I posted a setup, it's up 53% in a short period of time. Matic, man, I'm telling you, like these rebrands, somebody in group is asking about news, what news is bullish? Like most of the news that you hear, it's going to move the price. But this rebrands are big. Matic's got a lot of stuff going on that's positive. It's really reinvented itself. Yeah, it's just amazing to see Matic booming like we looked for. XRP, I posted a setup in trading group. XRP, I think it's going to head back to all-time highs. We're up 23%. You got a tiny little bull flag in here. Now, Bitcoin needs to cooperate, but again, you got on the 1 hour chart, right? You got a golden cross happening, right? Now all these moving averages are going to come up and act as support. So whether it's pullback, retest, and then move higher, looking for all-time highs out of XRP, as long as Bitcoin doesn't act crazy. Okay, last one, XLM. XLM likes to follow XRP. It's lagging here a little bit. Man, look at this wick. Look at this crazy wick. Imagine getting some orders filled down here at 655 Satoshis, right? And then here it is. I mean, you got 50% gains if you freaking had some crazy buy order sitting down here. Anyways, the point is this. This is like this nice cup and handle looking pattern by the breakout of this level. XLM, again, altcoin season, you'll see XLM take off, okay? XLM has been due. It hasn't been doing a whole lot. It is due for a run. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.